Hello! Welcome to the GuideKnight YouTube channel. While there are countless ways that technology has improved our everyday lives, the electric shaver stands out for male grooming. Today, more and more gents are choosing an electric shaver over a manual razor for its convenience and ease. Although manual razors do still provide the closest shave, electric shavers have advanced to a very close second. On top of that, the time-saving and skin-friendly natures of these devices make them a worthy choice for the modern man. Here are the best electric shavers for men to try today.
Number 5. Remington F5-5800 Foil Shaver.
The Remington F5-5800 Foil Shaver can be used cordlessly or corded for your flexibility and convenience. While the cordless 60-minute runtime will see you through several shaves, if the battery does run out, you can always rely on this device's 5-minute quick charge function to provide enough power for one go. Featuring a shaver head that's able to pivot and flex around contours and intercept shaving technology that sits between the foils to pre-trim longer hairs, the F5-5800 promises a close shave. Cleaning's also a breeze with this washable electric shaver. Simply clean it under the tap.
Number 4. Philips Norelco Electric Shaver 8900.
The Philips Norelco 8900 features shaver heads that move in 8 directions to cut up to 20% more hair, and contour detect technology to cut up to 30% closer. Also utilizing aquatic technology, this rotating shaver provides both a comfortable, dry shave and an invigorating wet shave. To ensure your shaver will never give out halfway through, the 8900 fully charges in 1 hour and provides a battery level indicator. Additionally, a click-on beard styler with 5 length settings and a travel lock make this a device top choice.
Number 3. Panasonic ESLV95S Arc 5 Electric Razor.
The Panasonic ESLV95S Arc 5 boasts a 5-blade shaving system with precision honed, 30-degree blades for an incredibly close shave. 14,000 cuts per minute creates 70,000 cross-cutting actions per minute across the 5 blades for this fast and efficient grooming gadget. Whether you use it wet or dry, the pivoting head of the shaver will glide smoothly around contours, while the foils conform to the shape of your face and neck. Sensors for automatic power adjustments, a cleaning and charging system, a pop-up trimmer, and a 10-stage LCD are all also included in this very useful shaver.
Number 2. Braun Series 99290cc Electric Shaver.
Coming from the world's #1 foil shaver brand, Braun Series 99290cc is a wet and dry electric foil shaver. Touted as the world's most efficient and comfortable electric shaver, the Series 9 features synchrosonic technology that reads and adapts to your beard 160 times per second to provide more power where needed. The shaver's functional design also catches more hair in one stroke, meaning that shaving is quicker and less irritating to your skin.
Number 1. Philips Norelco Electric Shaver 9300.
The Philips Norelco 9300 is Philips' most advanced shaver yet. Not only does this innovative device feature Aquatech technology for a comfortable, dry shave and refreshing wet shave, but it also boasts 8 directional heads that cut up to 20% more hair. This rotary shaver also features blades that are adept at providing a close shave as well as a smart clean system, which allows for easy maintenance by cleaning, lubricating, drying, and charging the device. On top of that, this sleek gadget offers different speed settings that can be adjusted for different skin types and shaving needs.
If you are new here, subscribe our channel and like the video.